So, given all this information, how does that affect our understanding of this relationship between testosterone treatment and an increased fracture risk?
I think if you analyze the studies that we have, this study on fracture, but the other studies that showed testosterone treatment was associated with more musculoskeletal injury, if you analyze it in the context of all this information about the effects of testosterone, that it would seem intuitive that testosterone treatment may have an indirect negative impact on fracture risk by promoting more exercise and the intensity and risk taking of such exercise. Um, on the other hand, had they controlled for these kinds of things, and none of these studies did, none of the studies controlled for these kinds of effects exercise, level of physical activity, the intensity of it, the risk of it, and general risk taking. Had they done that, I believe it would have eliminated any increased risk of fracture uh, in the studies and or other musculoskeletal injury, and it would confine it all to those factors. In fact, I would suggest it's intuitive that any intervention that we have in medicine, whether it's available now or those that become available through future research, any successful intervention, we're looking for them to increase physical activity and exercise, especially if we do it according to the guidelines of what that should mean, is going to increase the risk of musculoskeletal injury.